Good morning, welcome back to another camp. On today's trip I'm heading up through some amazing native forests to an Alpine stream where I'm going to set up camp for the night. I've found this perfect little spot to chill out, take in the awesome mountain views and cook some delicious food. Forecast is for heavy rain this afternoon, so I better get to my campsite. I hope you enjoy this video. What a great little spot, right next to the little stream. I like it. So I better get cracking, get this tent set up. Oh, it's turned really cold. Been walking for about 5 hours this afternoon. Didn't realise it was going to take me so long. About there should do it. My hands have stopped working. Oh, my hands are going blue. I can't believe how cold it is. I might just get this stuff into the tent and then I'll sort the tarp out. Got the DD Hammocks tarp again on this strip. I love this tarp. Gives me so much room. Gives me a good 2 meters out the front of the tent. Got my new carabiners for my setup. We had a lot of passing showers which were quite heavy, but that's it, it's all set up. Sun is kind of trying to break through the clouds. Oh, it's nice when the sun's out. We have pita breads for dinner tonight, something a little different. I took my rain pants off thinking the rain was over and done with, but it's back. Well, within the space of a couple of minutes it's completely fogged in. It's crazy. Ah, food finally. Okay, not sure how this is going to turn out, but let's have a look. Couple of onions. Oh no, they're breaking already. Bit of sauerkraut. Bit of lettuce. It's not bad. Ah, these are just falling to bits. Oh no. Very messy, but not too bad actually. Right, let's get some more on. I think I've got it sussed now. Hopefully this stays together. This is getting very messy. You might have to leave me to it. I'll come back to you when I'm all sorted and in the tent. Rain is really coming in now. Might be time to get into my sleeping bag, I think. Holy heck, it is bucketing down. Oh, it's raining quite hard at the moment. Been a bit of a full-on day today. I think it's forecast for showers tomorrow, and then maybe fine in the afternoon. So that would be a nice fine walk out. Wind has picked up again. It's nice having the stream so close. Be a nice lying in bed listening to that. Well, I'm just going to finish my cup of tea, and then I think that's it for me. So I will say good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Quite a nice morning this morning. Sun is out. It's been a couple of passing little showers. It's just lightly spitting now, but it's coffee time. Still pretty windy, as you can see. Oh, that's nice. I was just sitting here and this blue duck came cruising down here through this little stream. I didn't know that those ducks would be around this area, but cool if it was. They're quite rare. The wind direction has actually changed a bit. It started coming in this way here, so it's making this tarp blow inside out, just like that. It's holding together pretty well though. It's not going to go anywhere. Those clouds are really moving. Alright, we have something a bit different for breakfast this morning. Good old baked beans for breakfast. Not quite sure if this is going to work or not. I don't have a toaster, so I'm going to try this. Ah yeah, might work. I just realised I forgot to bring a fork, so I'm going to have to do what we call little soldiers. Can't beat baked beans. Yum. That bread is actually quite nice, done like that. Just a little bit of butter on it and fry it. Oh, freezing. I'm just watching my camera move. It's getting pretty gusty. Oh, that was yum. Oh, I'm getting hammered from the wind and the rain coming this way. I might think about packing up, I think. I'm getting wet. And my stuff's getting wet. Looks like there's some heavy rain coming this way. Well, that was a bit of a disaster end to this camp. Just as I was about to pack up, there was a massive gust of wind and it clean blew my tarp inside out. Everything got wet. The rain's coming in again. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this camp. I've actually really enjoyed this camp. This is a great spot right by this little stream here. I'll come back here one day, maybe have a swim. So anyway, take care everyone. Have a safe week and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.